Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Children, we are continuing the poem Teamwork. We already completed the recitation part. Then we read about the meaning of this poem. After that, we drilled the new words and now we are continuing the question answer part. Am I right? So, in this connection, we have completed the first phase of question answer of this poem. And in our previous video, we learned how to complete the sentence based on this poem. And today we will read how to make question. Right? So let's start the class. Today we will see how to make questions. So children, here you can see till today we are just answering the question. We are following this format: question to answer. That means we always answer to a given question, right? For example, I have taken a very simple question: what is your name? Or what's your name? Correct? So the answer is also very simple. My name is Mohan. For example, my name is Mohan. Second question, where do you live? Answer will be, I live in Bhopal. Okay, I live in Bhopal. For example, a child is staying in Bhopal, then she or he will answer, I live in Bhopal. So, first comes question, then comes answer. Here also, first comes question, then comes answer. Right? So, this is the process that we are following till now. In your exam also, you get some questions and you answer them. In your textbook also, you get some question, you have to answer them. Right? In our daily life also, we face different question, we have to answer them. Where have you gone? Where are you? Sometimes your parents ask, where are you? Right? We have to answer. Right? But children, here in this chapter and in this question, you have to go reverse. That means you have to go from answer to question. Okay, let's see. Now, in page number 23, you will find the reverse of this process. That means the answer is given and you have to frame question for that given answer. Okay, for example, in our previous slide we saw that this side there was the question and that side there was the answer, but here you can see the reverse. That means we will proceed from answer to question, right? That means the answer is given, you have to frame the question. For example, suppose you want to know your friend's name or somebody's name, then if you will ask, what have you eaten? Can you get the answer? Not at all. So you have to make proper question to get the answer. First of all, you have to decide what you want to know or what you want to ask. Accordingly, you have to frame question. Am I right, children? For example, you want to know somebody's name, you will ask, what is your name? Right? You can see this is a word, WH word or question word, you can say. So we use these words to frame question. Secondly, how will you know that it's a question? Because there is a question mark. Right? So at the end of the sentence, you have to put question mark in a question. Right, children? For example, you want to ask somebody that how is she or he? Then what will be your question? How are you? Here you have to put the question mark. Then the answer will be I am fine. Right? So how are you? How are you? Right? I am fine. Before going to your book, we will learn how to frame question. What are the different ways of framing question? Right? So, first one is using WH word. Okay, just now we were discussing about these words, about the uses of this word. What is your name? How old are you? Where do you stay? Okay, who is your class teacher? Okay, how are you? All these things. So these are WH word. We use these words to frame question. How are you, my friend? What's your name? Okay, where are you going? What do you want? Right? So mostly we frame question using these words. But another process is also there. What's that? By bringing the helping verb. This is very important. By bringing the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. Okay. To understand the second process, you have to understand what is helping verb. Take for example, I am a boy, right? Or I am a teacher. So here, am is the helping verb. Okay, he is fine. Which one is the helping verb? Is the helping verb. Right? Is the helping verb. So is, am, are, have, has, have, been, had been. So these are used as helping verb or auxiliary verb. Right, children? So for example, I am a teacher. If I want to convert this sentence into a question, then I will bring the helping verb into to the beginning of this sentence. For example, I am a teacher. Here, am is the helping verb. And you have to bring, so this is the answer form. This is not the question. If you want to frame the question, then you have to write, you have to bring this one. Am I a teacher? Right? Here you have to put the question mark. Correct? Likewise, they are playing. Which one is the helping verb? This one. You have to frame question. Okay. Question. Are they playing? So this is this next way, that is another way to frame the question, right? So now it will be easier for you to solve the questions given in the page number 23.